These are the answers or the sentences that you have to make the question for. Here, how to make the question for the sentence. I live in Phnom Penh. I live in Phnom Penh. But actually, I live in Kampot province. So where do you live? Phnom Penh. Okay. Từ bậc cao trong núi, bậc cao trong hẹp ví dụ nó cao từ mấy. Anh nói gì thì ghé lại chẳng mấy gì thì chỉ cần lại tại vì thử bậc cao ví dụ trong núi để prap ra W question mùi nè. Bà cứ ghé chỉ cần lại cứ where mà nó chẳng như xù mà tao nè rồi nấu ái hay nè xù hả where is where everybody do you live where do you live tao nè rồi nấu nè. Okay, I live in Phnom Penh. What about the second sentence? Bakal be maita. You can pause this video a little bit and then let's try to write the question for the sentence. Okay. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. នាងគឺជាមិត្តជិតស្និទ្ធរបស់ខ្ញុំមិត្តល្អរបស់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងអានឹងសួរពីមនុស្សមែនទេសួរពីមនុស្សអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើពាក្យសំណួរគេ who. Okay, who, right? Who ណា who is she តើនាងជានរណា she is my best friend. Okay, and about the third one, the third sentence. Please pause this video again and try to write in the notebook. For this sentence, we study English at 7. We can make the question by study. Okay. When do you study or when do you study English? Okay. You can make the question like when do you study or when do you study English? You can add one more English. Okay. And the sentence number 4. He's late because he's busy. Dứt bà vì phụ đã có rồi buồn chấm anh ấy khi cái bậc cao nó bị mất karena mean because suruh bị cái anh ấy bị had Paul chấm bởi vì bị had Paul thì bảo bị nuôi cái why mình okay why because he's busy phụ đã có rồi buồn mày bận có dứt phụ đã có rồi buồn còn dứt thì sao đã có rồi buồn. And sentence number 5, the last one. Hey, it is my book. It is my book, which is a power book. Okay, you made a question for the sentence. Vậy be mine, chẳng my book. Vậy be possession, as possession. The possession, we can make a question with whose, right? Whose book is it? Which is a power book? No, not very. Thank you very much for today's video, and I hope you all understand how to make the W question for the sentence, and you can use the W question in the right way. Okay, if you have any questions, you can drop your comment below. Thank you, goodbye, see you in the next video.